In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, establishing strong roots across e-commerce platforms isn't just an advantage. It's essential for survival and growth. Standing out isn't an option, it's a necessity. Welcome to RootAMZ, where we transform your e-commerce presence with expertise born from experience. Your ultimate partner in digital innovation. We specialize in empowering manufacturers and vendors by managing and growing their online businesses across multiple platforms. Built by former Amazon executives with over a decade of industry experience, our team understands the e-commerce landscape from the inside out. We've navigated the challenges you face and developed proven strategies that deliver measurable results. From Amazon Vendor Central to Walmart, eBay, and independent e-commerce websites, RootAMZ takes care of every aspect of your business operations. We streamline inventory, optimize product listings, and enhance your online storefront to maximize sales. We seamlessly manage your presence across all major e-commerce platforms. Our comprehensive approach turns complexity into clarity, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating exceptional products. Marketing that drives results. RootAMZ manages your entire e-commerce advertising, from social media campaigns to precision-targeted PPC ads. With data-driven strategies, we optimize ACOS, maximize revenue, and ensure your brand reaches the right audience. Digital marketing in e-commerce requires precision and expertise. Our specialized team optimizes your social media presence and executes targeted advertising campaigns that lower your ACOS while maximizing revenue growth. Each dollar spent works harder for your bottom line. A strong brand presence is key to winning customer trust. RootAMZ crafts stunning A+ content, compelling brand stores, and engaging creatives to elevate your brand identity and increase conversions. Your brand is your promise to customers. We elevate your brand identity through compelling creative design that resonates with your target audience and stands out in crowded marketplaces. From packaging to photography, we create assets that build lasting brand value. Beyond marketplaces, we also help brands establish and maintain their own e-commerce websites. Whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, we ensure your online presence is strong, seamless, and sales-driven. Your dedicated website is your digital flagship store. We build and manage high-converting e-commerce sites across all major platforms, creating seamless customer experiences that drive loyalty and sales. What sets RootAMZ apart isn't just our Amazon heritage or technical expertise, it's our commitment to treating your business as our own. We dive deep into your unique challenges, applying data-driven insights to create customized strategies that deliver exceptional results. At RootAMZ, we don't just manage, we grow your business. With our expertise, brands have seen exponential sales growth, improved online visibility, and an enhanced brand presence. Your success is our mission. Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? Let's make it happen together. Contact RootAMZ today and start your journey toward digital success.